In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the ChatGPT payment declined issue. I'll show you a couple of workarounds that you want to try. So what you need to do once you're on ChatGPT, go to your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner and then click on Settings. Here in Settings, you want to go to Account at the bottom. Then you can scroll down and here you'll see Payment. Go ahead and click on Manage and that will open up the payment window. Payment is done via Stripe. So what you can try is adding another payment method. So click Add Payment Method. If you've got another one, you can try that. Now don't worry if you don't have another one or you just want another method, here's what else you can try. Now ChatGPT actually recommend that you try the payment again in an incognito window. So if you click on the three dots in the top right, this is on Chrome, and go to New Incognito Window, you can then go back to ChatGPT and you can re-log in and retry the payment. This is in incognito and it will mean there'll be no cache or cookies saved. Another thing that you can try if this isn't working, go to your Wi-Fi network in the bottom right hand corner and change this either to a mobile network or just another Wi-Fi connection. Maybe try the payment somewhere else. If this still isn't working, make sure you're not connected to any VPNs or proxies. And the last thing that you can do is try and make the payment on your phone. So if it's not working on computer, go over to the phone and try it on your mobile device. All of those things, you should have one of them that works. Thank you for watching.